Welcome. Today we are exploring Gitflow, a legendary branching model that has helped countless teams manage their codebases effectively. If you have ever wondered how large teams keep their releases organized without stepping on each other's toes, this strategy is often the answer. So, what exactly is Gitflow? At its core, it is a set of strict rules about how branches are created and merged. Unlike simple workflows where everyone pushes to a single branch, Gitflow assigns specific roles to different branches. It is designed specifically for projects that have scheduled release cycles. The strategy relies on two permanent branches that exist for the life of the project. First, the master or main branch. This is your production-ready code. It must always be stable. Second, the develop branch. This is the integration branch where all the latest features reside. It serves as a staging area for the next release. When you need to write code, you use feature branches. You never commit directly to the develop or master branches. Instead, you create a new feature branch off of develop. This isolates your work. Once your feature is complete, it gets merged back into develop. When the team decides it is time to ship a new version, a release branch is created off of develop. This branch is strictly for final bug fixes and documentation tasks. No new features are allowed here. Once finished, it merges into both master, for the official release, and back into develop to keep it updated. Sometimes things break in production, and you cannot wait for the next full release cycle. This is where Hotfix branches come in. They are unique because they are the only branches that spawn directly from master. You fix the bug, then merge it back into both master and develop immediately. Here is how it all looks together. You can see the master and develop branches running parallel forever. Features branch off and return to develop. Releases bridge the gap between develop and master. And hotfixes provide a quick loop on top of master. It may look complex, but it provides a very clear history. Why should you use this? The biggest advantage is parallel development. One team can work on the next release while another fixes critical bugs in the current one. The strict roles also mean everyone knows exactly where to commit their code, reducing confusion and conflicts. However, Gitflow is not for everyone. For simple projects or solo developers, it is often overkill. It can also slow down continuous deployment pipelines because of the rigid release structure. If you need to deploy to production multiple times a day, a simpler workflow might be better. To wrap up, master is for production. Develop is for integration. Use feature branches for new work, release branches for shipping, and hotfix branches for emergencies. Mastering this flow will give your team the structure it needs to scale confidently.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.